Okay, students, let us do some more variation on sample space of throwing a die. We know that probabilities of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 all are equal to 1 by 6. If we find a sum of all these probabilities, that is probability of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, then it is equal to 1 by 6 plus 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 1 by 6 is equal to 6 upon 6 and is equal to 1. This is a very important result. The sum of probabilities of all outcomes of an experiment is equal to 1. That is sum of probabilities of all outcomes is equal to 1. Okay, so let us do more variation. This is the sample space. You know that in sample space there are prime numbers, composite number, even number, odd numbers, numbers less than 5, numbers greater than 4, and so on. There are many questions upon this. See, let us do one question. What is the probability of getting an even number? So according to formula, the denominator is all possible outcomes. Now see, we have to find number of outcomes which are in favor of even number. That is, we have to find how many even numbers are there in the sample space. So 2, 4, 6. There are 3 even numbers. So in favor of even number, there are 3 outcomes. And 3 upon 6 is equal to 1 by 2. So probability of finding an even number is 1 by 2. Now suppose we want to find probability of getting an odd number. Again, possible outcomes 6 and odd numbers are 1, 3, 5. That is, there are 3 odd numbers and this probability is again 1 by 2. So probability of even number is 1 by 2 and probability of odd number is 1 by 2. In simple language we can say that अगर हम एक डाई को थ्रो करते हैं तो आधी पॉसिबिलिटी ये है कि इवन नंबर आए, आधी पॉसिबिलिटी ये है कि ऑड नंबर आए. नाउ लेट अस डू वन मोर वेरिएशन. व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग अ प्राइम नंबर? So do you know what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers which are divisible by itself only, and prime numbers are always greater than or equal to 2. 2 is the first prime number and 2 is the only even prime number. So let us find prime numbers. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 4 is not a prime number because it is divisible by 2 also, 5 is a prime number, 6 is not a prime number because it is divisible by 2 and 3 also. So how many prime numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. So in favor of prime numbers, there are 3 outcomes. So its probability is equal to 1 by 2. Now, if we want to find the probability of getting a number which is less than 5, total outcomes are 6. In order to find the probability of getting a number which is less than 5, we have to find how many numbers are there which are less than 5. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers are there which are less than 5. So in favor of this event, there are 4 outcomes. So its probability is equal to 2 by 3. Now, if I want to find the probability of number greater than 5, total outcomes 6, and the only number which is greater than 5 is 6. So in favor of this event, there is only one outcome. So its probability is equal to 1 by 6. Now here we should note that this event is getting a number greater than 5. In other words, this event can be written as getting a number which is 6. अगर हमको 5 से ज़्यादा 5 से बड़ा नंबर मिल रहा है, इसका मतलब हमको जो नंबर मिलेगा वो 6 मिलेगा. इसका मतलब अदर लैंग्वेज में नंबर ग्रेटर देन 5 को हम ये भी कह सकते हैं 6 आना. सो इन क्वेश्चंस में हमको लैंग्वेज पे ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. समटाइम्स किसी सिंपल चीज को थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट करके लिखा होता है. जैसे एक छोटी सी चीज और लिखता हूं मैं, what is the probability of getting a number less than 2? What is the probability of getting a number which is less than 2? Less than 2 तो एक ही नंबर है 1. इसका मतलब इनडायरेक्टली मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ 1 आने की क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी है. What is the probability of getting 1? Probability of getting 1 is equal to probability of getting a number which is less than 2, and both probabilities are equal to 1 by 6. Now one more question related to this. See, here I have written number less than 5. Here I have written number greater than 5. In both the cases, 5 has not been included. See, one more case related to this. What is the probability of getting a number which is less than or equal to 5? Total outcome 6. Now see here, we have to note the variance. I am saying that getting a number which is less than or equal to 5, यानी कि ऐसा नंबर जो 5 से छोटा हो या 5 के इक्वल हो. 5 से छोटे 4 नंबर्स हैं, 5 के इक्वल 1 है, तो इसके फेवर में हो गए 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the numbers which are less than or equal to 5. So in favor here, total outcomes are 5. So probability of getting a number less than or equal to 5 is 5 by 6. Variation related to this. What is the probability of getting a number greater than or equal to 5? Total outcome 6. Now see. Now we have to see how many numbers are there which are equal to 5 and greater than 5. There are 2 numbers, 5 and 6. These are the numbers which are greater than or equal to 5. So now here there are 2 favorable outcomes. One is 5 and another is 6. So its probability is 1 by 3. Now in this way, in the next tutorial we will do more variations and we will learn something about playing cards. All of you have seen playing cards. We will observe these cards in detail in next tutorial. Have a nice time.